Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I have been silent for so many days and I've been getting a lot of questions on how to start working on paid online surveys, especially from beginners. And so there's a very brief video. I want to take you through how to do surveys as a beginner, how to set up your devices and everything. Just give you a snippet of what you're supposed to do. And as you can see from my previous videos, you can know for sure that surveys pay well. If you are consistent in what you do, if you set up your devices very well, you can get returns from paid online surveys. You can go through my YouTube channel. I review so many sites. You can be able to select the one which favor you and which you can be able to work on them. And I even post payment proof from various survey sites to make sure that, to show you people that they actually pay. So without wasting time, I'm going to give an example today starting with free cash. So let me sign out here. As you know, in every survey site, today I'm just addressing survey beginners. In every survey site, they require you to sign up. So today I'm going to show you an example using free cash. So in any survey that you register on, they require you to sign up. So just click here on sign up. Here you have to have a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Outlook email which you use to register here. Or if you're a Google person, spelling of Google. If you're a Google person, you can use your Gmail here, or you can log in directly with your Gmail. So let me log in here with this Gmail. So once no, sorry, I'm not signing up, I should sign in. Once you sign up, come to sign in, you'll be prompted to verify your email and you'll be logged into your account. This is my account here. So after you enter a survey website, they have so many ways of earning. You can earn through playing games here, various games which are very high paying. You can earn through completing various offers listed on the various survey sites. And you can also earn using the offer walls here. These offer walls have surveys inside. They also have offers to complete. They also have games to play inside them. So just click on any here and proceed. But today I want to concentrate on feature surveys. Leave them this one around. So today I want to concentrate on surveys. So in every site you enter, they prompt you to, if you want to work on surveys, these are the major survey panels. My account doesn't have a lot of them. This is a broke account, but just use it for demonstration. They have CPX, Bitrabs, Tap Research. If you check here well, Review, AdGet Media, MMall, Rutabri, Monrix, TimeWall, they all have surveys. But in case I'm not going to show you how to create a profile directly, but I'm going to direct you on how it's done. So immediately you click Bitrabs here, you'll be prompted to create a survey profile. So remember that if you create a good survey profile, you'll be able to be getting a lot of surveys, and vice versa. If you create a bad survey profile, you're going to get less surveys. And for that case, I have a PDF file showing tips and tricks on how to create a good survey profile. I will post it again on my Telegram channel, this one here. So if you're on my Telegram channel, let's say you have come to my Telegram channel here, come to search, click search here, just type survey tips, that search, you see, you're going to get this one here, this one. So let me click on it. So on my Telegram channel, you're going to get this survey tips PDF. Go through it and it's going to help you on how to set up a good survey profile. Then, apart from setting up a survey profile, you also need other stuffs. Remember, I've already gone to this one, how to do paid surveys only for beginners. So for you to do surveys, first of all, you need a device. Even before going to profile creation, you need a good Android, iOS or iOS mobile phone or laptop. Then you need a good survey profile creation. That's what I showed you here. You can come to my Telegram channel, search for survey tips, go through the PDF. It has tips on how to create a good survey profile. Then after that, you need survey apps and websites. On my YouTube channel, I have reviewed so many paying survey sites and websites. Go through them, register according to your country, and if you are happy with any site that you select, you can continue working on them. Remember, my YouTube channel, I review paying survey sites, and all the sites I've reviewed, I'm 100% sure that they are working and they are paying. So you can go through my channels or through my channel of the reviewed sites, go through them, and you can pick any of them and start to do. As you know, most of the survey takers use proxies. So, yeah, you know what I mean by proxies. And so you need some tools for checking your IP and zip code. Remember, during survey profile creation, despite having a good survey profile, you need to note the zip code of your IP. So a better zip code, yeah, you need to have your profile should have a zip code, and in every survey you fill, you should use the same profile details and the same zip code that you used in your profile, so that you can be able to qualify for surveys. Sometimes you may not qualify in all surveys, but be consistent in using the same profile you created and the same zip code. So for you to know your zip code and your connectivity security, we have various sites to check. You can use pixelscan.net. It helps you to know your device's security, what is exposed, what is not exposed. You can have hua.net. This is the most popular for checking your IP location. Then you can have IP2 location, is a good one. Then they have scamaretics.com. It's helped to check the fraud score of your IP. Yeah, they show you whether your IP is blacklisted or not. Then they have the ipqualityscore.com. If your IP quality score is above 20 and above, or above 27 and above, that IP is not good for surveys. Also get IPs that are below below 27 or below 20, the better, or even zero fraud score is better. Also remember, the best IPs for doing surveys are SOX5 proxy IP with the residential IP. Also, if you are working on, if you have a VPS, you can get a VPS with a good residential IP. Remember, today's tutorial, I'm just taking you through the basics. I'm not going into details. Later on, I will go into details. I'll prepare a very detailed tutorial, but today just give you the requirements. Remember, after you create a survey profile, you need to check your zip code. After checking your zip code, you need to check the quality of your IP using either scamaretics.com or ipqualityscore.com, so that you can be able to know whether your IP will get you banned or it will help you earn a lot from surveys. These are the few major requirements. Then I told you that surveys can work on laptops and Android devices. So how do you connect on your Android device or on your iOS device? So for Android, you require these few apps. For best Android, SOX5 proxy app. SOX5 proxy apps from Play Store. You have SoxDroid, you have Turn2Tap, you have Turn2Sox, you have Kitsunebi. The mode of connection is very, very easy. Just download the app, select the protocol you have, either SOX5 or HTTP proxy, input your IP and port. Whether if your IP has a username and password, just insert the same and you're good to go. And for iOS device, you require an app called Potazzo app on iOS for iOS devices. I forgot to put it here. iOS devices. This will be number 5 there. Potazzo app for iOS devices. Also, some people do surveys using their browsers, and henceforth you need browser proxy extensions, and the famous one we use is the Foxy proxy. They work on all types of browsers from Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and so many others. Then there is also Switchy Omega, which can work on various browsers. They work very, very well. Also, for advanced survey takers, you can do surveys using anti-detect browsers. And for that, if you go to my YouTube channel, I've reviewed so many anti-detect browsers. You can come here and search anti-detect browsers. You see, you can go to my YouTube channel. I have reviewed so many just come here and search anti-detect browsers. You can go through them and you can know how to work on them, the tricks on how to use them safely. I have reviewed so many of them. You can see so many of them. I've reviewed so many of them. I've reviewed even how to disable WebRTC to prevent linking of your IP on your browsers. So I've even reviewed so many proxy sites. So come to my YouTube channel, search anti-detect browsers. If you're a beginner, watch on how to set up each of them and select the one which is easy for you to set up, and you're good to go to start on your survey journey. So basically, those are the few major steps that a survey beginner needs to note. You need to know the types of survey apps to use, how to register. I showed you how to register. You need to get a good proxy IP, and I showed you how to check your quality of your IP, how to check your zip code. And if you need to create a good survey profile, I have a PDF on my YouTube channel here. Come and search survey tips, look for it, and to guide you on how to create a good survey profile, and you enjoy working on survey sites. So there's a very brief introduction for survey beginners, and as usual, you know that if you go through my videos, you know you can make a decent return on doing paid online surveys. So guys, I'll be making a more detailed course, a more paid detailed course for those people who are interested to learn more. If you want to learn more, hit me up on Telegram at isokay. I'm going to make a full detailed course, and I can even arrange on doing a Zoom meeting for those people who are interested to know more about doing paid online surveys. And this course will be only available to those who are not aware, who are not conversed in doing online paid surveys, who don't know how to set up their IPs and so many other details that they want to know. But today it's just a simple video explaining the basics of starting doing paid online surveys. So guys, keep it talk to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed up to now, kindly hit the subscribe button. I'll be much grateful. Thank you for the love, guys, and see you on my next video.